Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make sesame prawn toast. So for the ingredients we need some king prawns, raw, some bread. I've used thick sliced white bread here, you can use any. Some sesame seeds, light soy sauce, sesame oil, some salt, white pepper or black pepper, an egg, cornstarch, some spring onions optional, and some ginger which is optional as well. Some sunflower oil which I forgot to put in this video as well. So we need 10 king prawns defrosted, put in the bowl. I'm going to put half teaspoon of salt, white pepper or black pepper, few sprinkles, a splash of light soy sauce. Next you can put some spring onions, which is optional, a whole egg or an egg white, a few splashes of sesame oil, some cornstarch, just a small amount, half teaspoon, and a few sprinkles of ginger, optional as well. Next we're going to put it in a processor, then give it a few spins, then it should look like something like this. Next we're going to put the mixture into a bowl. Okay, so we're going to spread the mixture onto one side. I'm doing about 4 slices here, so I'm putting the mixture, a lot of mixture on top. Okay, so I'm going to put the bread onto the sesame seeds, the prawn side. Give it a few pats on the back. So I'm going to put that onto a plate now. Next we're going to do some frying. So we're going to put the cooker onto low to medium heat and put some sunflower oil, about half a centimetre or centimetre. Ensure the pan's not too hot and doesn't splash, so low heat. Don't copy what I did here. Put the prawn side onto the pan. Usually takes a minute and a half to fry. Just ensure the temperature is not too high or too low. The sides will indicate if it's burnt. Since my spread was thick, I gave it more time to cook. If it's light on the side, just flip it over and then give it an extra minute and a bit. Keep on checking. So you're ready to plate up. This one looks goldenish, which is right, and then this one looks more white, so I need more time to cook this one. There you go. It's finished now. Congratulations, you made a sesame prawn toast. I hope you like it. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please tickle the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!